Good evening, students. In this session, we are going to see about the one of the methods of valuation of goodwill, which is super profit method. The name itself is very self-explanatory. That goodwill formula goes like this: super profits into number of years of purchase. Super profits into number of years of purchase. The formula for super profit equal to average profits minus normal profit. That is excess of average profit over normal profit. Let us see how the average profit formula works out. Average profit equal to P1, that is profit of year 1, P2 profit of year 2, P3 profit of year 3, P4 profit of year 4 divided by 4. Why divided by 4? Because up to 4th year we have taken. So first year, second year, third year plus 4th year divided by 4. There is P5 divided by 5. So that is the meaning inferred here. Then if we go to normal profit, what is the formula? Normal profit equal to capital employed into rate of return. Capital employed into rate of return. This is the normal profit that is expected from the firm. So the difference between average profit and normal profit is super profit. Then super profit into number of years of purchases, goodwill, and the super profit method. Okay, for which we have some workout. Workout number 3. The profit details of Excel Limited is given as follows: first year, second year, third year. 3 years detail. The capital investment of the firm is 1 lakh. That is what is the capital employed by the concern. Fair return on investment is 10%. Calculate the value of the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profits. Let us see what happens. 3 years purchase of super profits. So automatically the formula goes goodwill equal to super profits into number of years of purchase. Let us see how the solution works out. Here the solution is super profits method. Super profit method. So let us see how it works out. Super profit method, again formula, goodwill equal to super profits into number of years of purchase. Super profit into number of years of purchase. So let us see again a small recollection. Super profit, that is the SP, equal to average profit minus normal profit. If we go to the average profit calculation, so what is the profits? What is the profits that you have earned for 3 years? 36,000, 40,000, and 44,000. So how many years? 3 years profit. So 36 plus 40 plus 44. So how much it comes? 1,20,000 divided by 3, because 3 years. Okay. So average profit equal to 40,000. I think you have got it. Okay. Average profit equal to 40,000. Then we have next normal profit. Normal profits. Okay. Normal profits. So what is normal profit here? What is normal profit? Tell me what is normal profit here. That is normal profit equal to capital employed into rate of return. Capital employed into rate of return. Capital employed into rate of return. Here, what is the capital employed? If we go to the sum, you can easily identify. The capital investment of the firm is 1 lakh and the return on investment is 10%. So if we go to the normal profit calculation, capital employed 1 lakh into 10%. So normal profit is 10,000. So you have calculated average profit 40,000, normal profit 10,000. So automatically, if we calculate super profit, that is AP minus normal profit, that is average profits minus normal profits. So if we come here, what is average profit? 40,000. What is normal profit? 10,000. So super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. 40,000 minus 10,000. Therefore, super profit equal to 30,000. If we calculate goodwill under super profit method, what is the formula? Super profit into number of years of purchase. Here, super profit is 30,000. So 30,000 into number of years of purchase. If we repeat the question, calculate the value of the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. So 3 years, underline this, 3 years. So the same 3 years is taken here. 30,000 into 3. 90,000. So automatically the goodwill under super profits method is how much? 90,000. Okay, in this way you have to calculate the goodwill under super profits method. So let me give you a small recap of within 2 minutes. Super profits method, under this goodwill equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. Super profit equal to average profit minus normal profits. So average profit equal to 36,000 plus 40,000 plus 44,000 divided by 3. So how much you are getting? 1,20,000. 1,20,000 divided by 3, 40,000. Average profit is 40,000. If we go to normal profit, capital employed into rate of return. Here capital employed how much? 1 lakh. Into rate of return how much? Given in the question 10%. So normal profit equal to automatically 10,000. So average 40, normal 10. So super profit equal to 40 minus 10, 30. That is super profit equal to 30,000. So goodwill equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. As per question, 3 years purchase we have to calculate the value of goodwill. So automatically 30,000 is the super profit. 30,000 into 3, 90,000. 90,000. This way the goodwill is calculated under super profit method. Okay, so this is how we have to do this. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.